working mother married to somebody who's in the military is extremely hard.
Nice to meet you. Well, I'm here. Sounds like a pretty good surprise for you.
I have no idea what it is.
I will do my best to inform you.
My husband's an Army reservist, and when duty calls, he's gotta go.
Here, I happen to be a citizen soldier myself. I'm a major in the Army Reserves. Over the last few years, a way for me to kind of give back is to plug into what is called the Employer Supported Guard Reserve.
And I have to hold down the home front while my husband has to go off and serve. Those orders do not always match my schedule here at work or my son's school schedule. Rocky is seriously so supportive and so flexible with mine and my husband's schedule.
Obviously, Jillian feels like you've done a great job, and from what I've heard from several people, you've done a heck of a job in supporting their family and what they need to do. So just a nice way to say thanks. Just so you all know, this is called the Patriot Award. It means so much to me as a patriot, as a citizen soldier, to see firms that are out there supporting the military, past, present, and future.
So wonderful to have a boss who understands the sacrifices military families have to make.